May I know your name and where do you stay?
Hi, my name is Sonia Sahani. I put up in Malviya Nagar.
So how old is your child?
My child will be 4 next month.
So what exactly were you looking for him?
See, I wanted an educational institute who could, give my child a platform to carve a niche for himself and be his actual self and grow. So that was what I was looking out for and which I found the right place.
So what were the options did you consider before this particular one?
I was being very choosy because this was the first stepping stone about his entire life was going to head towards. So I was very, very choosy about that. So I was opting for 2-3 institutions. But then when, random check done on them and ref checks came to the school, did a mock. So this was one that by default outstanding, there was no second option to think through. Amion was the first choice.
So which one did you finally choose and why?
Amion because it is a much talked about brand. It's not about only the name but actually what it implies to. Because the child actually tries to be himself there. The teachers are so approachable. They actually focus on each and every child by doing so many innovative ways here. So that a child don't have to just pretend coming to school, but the child enjoys. Even on weekends, my child is always ready that, are we not going to school today? So that is what says my child.
So two good things about Amion.
Teachers are very approachable and they find very new techniques and very innovative ways to teach children, and that's what is more fun for them. So they learn through their fun techniques.
Anything that could be better?
Although it's always the best institute, what I would rate in for, but then always there are much more things coming up every second day to learn and implement.
Would you like to mention any of them?
As of now, till date, I would say it's the best. It has everything, all the more innovative ways, the more fun that learn through creative learning, through sports, through education, and every fun technique, whatever I would name it, it's here. So my only point will be that more and more technologies definitely would be coming up in future, which I'm sure Amion will be the first one to grab it.
So how would you like to rate and recommend Amion to other parents from a scale of 1 to 5?
4.5.
Thank you.